Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to get Gemini on your home screen. First, open your preferred web browser, like Chrome or Safari, and go to the Gemini website. Once the page loads, find the browser's menu icon, which often looks like 3 vertical dots or horizontal lines. Tap on this menu to reveal a list of options. After tapping the menu, you'll see an option such as Add to Home Screen or Install App. Select this option. A small pop-up will then ask you to confirm adding Gemini to your home screen. Simply tap Add to proceed. The Gemini icon will now appear on one of your home screens, ready for quick access. With the Gemini icon now on your home screen, accessing it is incredibly simple. Just find the icon among your other apps and give it a single tap. This will launch Gemini directly, saving you the steps of opening a browser and typing in the address. It's a convenient way to keep your AI assistant just one tap away. Adding Gemini to your home screen offers significant convenience, allowing you to launch it instantly whenever you need. This quick access streamlines your workflow and ensures your AI assistant is always at your fingertips. Remember, this trick works for many other frequently used websites too, turning them into app-like shortcuts. For more great tips and deals, including a link for some amazing darn tough socks with a lifetime warranty, be sure to check the description below this video.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.